Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. A very special episode. Our buddy from the channel, Sammy, sent us in something to open up, and he definitely instructed me to open this on camera. So let's... I know what... I think I know what's in here. And when he showed me what he was going to get, I'm like, oh, that's sweet, and he decided to send it in. And so here's what we're looking at. Let's open this guy up. Oh, an Amazon package. Let's make sure there's no... I want to make sure I don't release any address information on here. Unboxing knife of the day is the QSP Copperhead. There's the address information, so let's make sure that gets flipped over. What the hell? Okay, so before I get into this, I know one thing that he was sending me. There's something else in there. Let's go over the one he was sending me, which is interesting enough. But, oh, we got a Kizer. Really cool packaging, by the way. This is awesome packaging by Kizer. You could tell concept definitely came from Kizer because they have a similar packaging concept all around, and oh my gosh. Holy crap. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the megatherium. Now this feels almost like an Isham design. I'd have to look into it. It doesn't show Isham, and he usually puts his little goofy mustache on there. Wait, is that? Yes, it's an Isham design. So this thing is awesome. Look at this. Oh my goodness. To put that into perspective, here's my QSP Copperhead. So, a little bit of blade play back and forth. Once again, most new knives come with that for some reason. I could tighten that up, no problem. All titanium handles. And, oh wow. Wow. Just look at this. Whew. This thing's so freaking cool. I wish I had the Bull Mastiff or what was the other one? The Helix or the Helex. I wanted to compare it to. This thing is, oh my freaking lord. Just awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Sammy, for sending this in. I'm going to put this in the package, and whenever I get a chance to review this, that's where this... You know what, I'll leave this out, because we have another one in there that it kind of scares me what he sent. And this is why he told me to open this on camera. Oh, you didn't. You didn't. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Guys, he sent me a Medford. Oh, man, I was telling him that I was so interested in feeling one in hand, and holy crap. So Medford's not known for their knives that, like, Medford has outright said the fidget factor. That's why I'm failing to try and figure out how to flip it right. It's so heavy, and it's so smooth. But because it's so heavy, it's not meant to be one of those that you take and you just, like, you're able to fidget with. That's not the point. You know, it's meant to be just this beast of a workhorse. You can even choke up on it and, oh. Oh, bro. Now I get why the megatherium was speaking to you. But, oh. No way. Dude, thank you so much. This is so cool. I cannot believe you sent that in. So I gotta, oh jeez. Oh my goodness. This, I'm sorry to overshadow the megatherium, but this, guys, you guys always hear how Medfords in hand are like just massively overbuilt and just obnoxious, and like you see it and it doesn't make sense, but I'm telling you, in hand, what the living bleep. This thing is awesome. Oh my gosh, is this awesome. Oh, Jesus. Thank you so much for sending this in and giving me a chance to even feel one. Holy crap, man. There's got to be yeah, you can kind of front flip it with this aggressive, not really jimping. I got, before I do anything with this Medford, I'm going to have to research a lot what it is, as far as what it's made for and how it's meant to be used and everything. Because honestly, guys, I've never experienced one. I can only tell you what we see on reviews, and holy freaking crap. That's all I got to say is holy freaking crap, this blade. Oh my goodness. I'm I'm usually speechless. I kind of wish I had a drink or two before I did this, because I had a drink or two before I did the Hell X video, and like I was like obnoxious overkill on just like oh my gosh, and I don't know if you guys can get that from me, but holy freaking crap. Look at this. That is the Medford next to the QSP Copperhead. Just to put it into perspective, how large this thing is, and how just you feel this. So this knife in hand, guys. This isn't a review. I'm not even going to try to review this now. I need to do so much legwork to look into this, and I don't even want to carry this. I know how much this thing goes, so I'm gonna do research and do some little stuff around the house. This isn't even going to work with me just because I don't want to do anything to your knife, man. But this knife screams man. In your hand, this is, I am a freaking man when you're carrying this. Holy crap, and it makes me want one so bad. Good Lord. Sammy, you're the man, dude. Holy crap. Thank you so much for even allowing me to have the experience of opening this. Oh, and I'm sorry, Megatherium. I don't mean to be overshadowing you. You're cool too. You can do that. You got that going for you. I can flick you open like that, but so I don't even know how heavy this is. It's heavy, but look at this blade stock alone. I want one now so bad. This thing is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Oh my gosh. The blade, to put that into perspective, the blade, I always talk about how heavy blades allowed for good action. You get that pseudo drop fall action. This thing is so heavy. It's not the detent, it's the blade. I can't flick it open, and I talk about I'm good at failing, but I'm actually pretty good at reverse flicking almost all knives. I can't flick this open. This knife is not meant to be a fidget knife. This knife is meant to be, you could fidget with it like that and be like, I'm a man. All right. And then you open it again and you go, yeah, I'm a man. But it's not meant to be flicked open and shut. And that's what, I think his name's Greg Medford. I don't remember his first name. But that's what he did in an interview, and he was talking about it like that. It's not meant to be a super fidgety knife. This is just meant to be a, I can give this to my wife and have her put it in her hand, and she then becomes a man. And she is gorgeous. She is, like I said before, not bragging. She's a prom queen. She's everything. I can give this to her, and she is a man. That's how awesome this knife is. It immediately turns you into a man. I feel like giving it to my kid and then giving him 15 different chores. Just because you're a man now, and you do those chores. Wow. Thank you so much, Sam. Oh my gosh, I don't want to keep going on and on because I feel bad. This Megatherium was like, I open it up and I'm like, holy crap, this thing is awesome. And then that, like, what the flying duck. Wow. Thank you so much, Sammy, for sending these in. I'm definitely going to have to get you back with something, dude. That was awesome. I'll take good care of these. Like I said, this one's definitely not even going in my pocket to work. I don't even want to run the risk of taking this thing to a mill. So this is going to stay in the house. The review you're going to get is through me attempting to use it for everyday tasks and stuff so that I get a feel for it, but it'll never leave the house. And then it's going right back to you because the amazingness and the everything that this thing is deserves to be treated with care. Whew. I got to pick this thing up again. This easily weighs like 10 ounces. I have no idea. Do you guys want to see? Here, I got my scale right here. Just for the sake, I always call it the sake of science, but just for the sake of my own curiosity, the scale is MIA. What the hell? Of course, when I want the scale, it's gone. What the fuck did I do with my scale? It's hilarious. I tried not to cut throughout the whole thing, and I didn't see what this thing will probably break my scale. This thing's like, that's a there's so many words that you want to use when describing this knife and like pretending like this knife's talking that they're so profane that I shouldn't use them. You guys ready for this? 8.5 ounces. Oh, Jesus. This is so awesome. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for having even the trust to send this in. Oh my God. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. This is the Kizer megatherium. It's even off the screen. The Medford's so big. This is the Kizer megatherium and the Medford. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll correct it beforehand. That's how inexperienced I am with Medford. So when you get it at hand, you're like, oh my God. For those of you that do not know, just telling you right now, this thing is, no video can do this justice. This is my hand. All right? I wear extra large gloves. This is my freaking hand. This, hold on. So let's try to get another comparison there. This is a bottle of cleaner. That's how big this freaking guy is. Jesus. I'm trying to give you this is a fat ass Sharpie marker. That's how big, this isn't one of those skinny pen ones. This is the fat kind. That's how big that guy is. Holy freaking crap, that thing is awesome. Oh, damn it, you just made me want to buy one outright. Oh, this is a Medford and the Kizer megatherium. Thank you again, Sammy, for sending. I'm gonna let you watch me put these back in the case in the video because I feel so obligated to take care of this thing the way I need to. It's clearly the wrong box, by the way. That didn't come in a box. There's no box that can contain. Thank you so much, man. That is awesome. I'm gonna let you. This is kind of like let the credits roll while I'm sitting here trying to like do this. Oh my gosh, that. Oh, by the way, it was worth the wait. USPS took their long, sweet time getting that in here. That was it's worth the friggin' wait. Thank you again, Sammy. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Tyler from Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Have a great freaking day.